晚上11點15分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下晝11點，熱帶風暴圖茲集結喺香港東南偏南約170公里，即係喺北緯20.9度、東經114.8度附近。預料向西或西北偏西緩慢移動，靠近珠江口一帶。過去數小時，圖茲採取較為偏北嘅路徑，靠近廣東沿岸。隨住圖茲靠近珠江口，預料本港風力會進一步增強。按照現時預測路徑，圖茲會喺明日朝頭早最接近珠江口，喺本港以南150公里左右掠過。同其相關嘅烈風區同埋狂風暴雨會影響珠江口一帶。8號信號會至少維持去到明日嘅早上10點。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島以及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時72、62以及係42公里，最高陣風分別係超過每小時92、76以及係60公里。8號東北烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告，請立即採取防風措施，將容易被風吹到嘅物件綁緊或者係搬入室內，檢查所有門窗係咪可以關閉。請立即將堆積喺渠道上面嘅樹葉同埋係垃圾清除。低洼地區嘅市民應為防範水浸做好準備。有關最新嘅天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
11:15 in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal was issued at 11:10 in the evening. This means that the winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 11 p.m., tropical storm Taraji was estimated to be about 170 kilometers south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 20.9 degrees north, 114.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. In the past few hours, Taraji adopted a more northerly track towards the coast of Guangdong. With Taraji edging closer to the Pearl River estuary, local winds will strengthen further. According to the present forecast track, Taraji will be closest to the Pearl River estuary tomorrow morning, skirting around 150 kilometers south of Hong Kong. The associated gale winds and squally showers will affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglon Island, and Chung Chau were 72, 62, and 42 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 92, 76, and 60 kilometers per hour, respectively. Precautionary announcements with gale or storm signal number 8. Please take precautions now. Make sure objects likely to be blown away are securely fastened or taken indoors. Check if all windows and doors can be securely locked. Drains should now be cleared of leaves and rubbish. People in low-lying areas should take precautions against flooding. Please listen to the Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's the end of the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。